On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, Minitruck? What's up, guys? So I'm heading over to my buddy Jeff's house. He's thinking about buying a mini truck. Check out a few of his toys. See what kind of terrain he's got on his land, and have Minnie show what she's got. Friday the 13th, part 2. That's crazy. Wow.
They're trimming hedges. Yeah, just take band strap.
Look at the friggin', that's some weight on that thing.
You buy these at Tractor Supply, you know, they come with plastic blades.
Holy shit.
So I take band strap, the plastic blades wear
That's
right
a good
out.
idea.
These last forever, just don't touch yourself with them.
I've had worse, just a flesh wound.
Took an Ingersoll rim, you know, light plant, made a log splitter out of it. Not broken down all the way. Not really.
A little punky, but yeah. And Jeff found a mini truck right up the road from his house, so we'll check it out.
Oh, the door's locked.
So we decided to take mini truck on a little adventure.
Right. The old railroad bed right through here. When we get metal detecting right down here on the left.
Oh yeah, we gotta do that. We're gonna have to do mini metal detecting. You take your mini truck, we'll set it all up. On motorcycles prohibited. Oh, they do that in some of these parks. Horse shit.
Yep. Cocky.
They gotta pick that up like dogs.
Yeah. Should have a
Pooper thing.
poopy bag.
Yeah, big one, 55 gallon. Look at all the shit all over the place.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, my motorcycle don't leave shit like that. Look at all the poopy.
Another
Oh, what the hell did that horse eat? Look at all the poop. See that?
Jesus.
Now if that was a dog, people would be flipping out. Wouldn't it?
Well, this horse is running leaner now. It should
Yeah, it is running leaner. Yeah, someone must have adjusted the mixture.
You used to be able to drive right up this hill.
Really?
They blocked that off now. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. I didn't bring my flashlight.
Second time.
Damn it. I know. You're going to be the tunnel guy, see? It's the second tunnel you brought me to.
Oh, horse shit.
Oh yeah, you can see the other side, a little light. Never knew this was here.
This line used to go to the road used to go all the way to Judge Bridge Road. Road in the river.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Did you ever go up to the mines there, where the furnaces are?
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I was over there last year actually. I never knew they were there.
This line crosses the river. There's the railroad station.
On the other side?
Yeah.
Ah.
Here, drive all the way over.
Huh.
Get the road blocked. That's weird how they flew through that mountain. You think they just cut out the whole mountain.
Yeah, you would think. You'd think it would have been easier. Looks like they still come through here and grade all this off.
Yeah, we kind of did it. No bicycles, honestly. Bicycle tracks.
I know, no bicycles, no horses. You know what it doesn't say? It doesn't say no mini trucks.
Anyway, I'll drive through here.
Oh, she'd make it right over the rear. And Minnie, she's always smiling, always in a good mood. Right, Minnie?
We don't have to walk around. The only thing I can think of is either a station or
Well, that one's pretty high too, so maybe, I mean, if maybe there was a water tank, if it was a steam train.
yeah, because it was definitely steam. That's when.
Because they pump the water from the river, and they probably, because see how high that is?
Yeah.
Which means there must have been something, maybe that's where they'd fill the steam up and get coal.
That's the railroad bed right there. And here's a doorway here.
We'll definitely have to get the metal detectors in here.
Yeah,
Yeah, see, there's a pipe there, so there must have had something with water.
They drank
That's
Budweiser
copper.
back then.
Oh yeah, that looks like it's copper.
What's inside of that?
It's just hollow. Maybe it's steel. I don't have a magnet on me.
I mean,
Deer poopy.
yeah, that one other one washed gone. It's laying down.
That must be, yeah, that's a person foot, I think.
Yeah, where's Garrett when you want to step in some water? You go around this way.
What's that, mules? Donkeys?
Oh yeah, burros, jackasses, jackass.
Alan Hurlburt, 1876 to 1964, first selectman in Roxbury for 29 years. Huh?
I'll be damned.
Woo! Good thing we weren't going no faster.
Yeah.
Right, Minnie? Roxbury Land Trust. Huh. Be bear aware.
You know, the slurryway.
Yeah.
The wheel had to be someplace in here.
Yeah.
And you can see it's all lined with stone all the way down through here.
Yeah. Yeah, and there's a dam.
And I
Wow.
found a button. Military button.
Really?
Yeah, but it started pouring and I never came back. Time I got back to my car, I was drenched.
Oh, we got to come back with the metal detectors. Size of a headstone?
Yeah, it looks like this one up there. Oh, here, whoa, there.
Oh, right there.
Because the sunlight was hitting that just right. I see it flashing.
No kidding.
You see it up here.
A big culvert there.
I've never been up there. I don't know where it goes.
I guess we'll find out.
Oh, tree in the way.
Damn it, and I didn't bring my chainsaw. I always have my chainsaw with me too.
Oh, look at that. Oh, shucks.
Another day.
I cleared these fields out. I mean, I cut this whole thing out.
Is there a trail, or do you follow the edge, or just go straight?
Let's go straight.
Oh yeah, that looks pretty.
Yeah.
Well, we could try it.
You want to try it?
Yeah, you might get mud on your arm out there.
Oh, that's all right.
I can put it posi on now.
Damn, this thing good. Wow.
It does all right.
Wow. I can't believe it. This thing actually goes good in it. I'm impressed.
It doesn't do too bad. It's the tires though.
Yeah.
Them other tires that are on dumpy, they're better, but these are the second best if you're gonna drive it on a road, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Just a little bit more area, but it gets good as it gets back. Get over, I just mowed this a week ago. Brush hogged it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. How fast it's growing up already.
Yeah, you can see we dug in a bit.
Oh yeah. Man, this thing, I can't believe how good it gets through there. Damn.
The next day.
Fire truck. Fire truck.
Oh, look at that. They always put the showcase right there.
Fire truck.
Hey, I'm back.
Going.
How you doing, man?
Good.
Hey man, how's it going?
Good to see you again.
So you got a load in about what, a couple weeks ago? You
Yeah, a
got
couple weeks ago.
like 70, you said, something like that?
Like I had 95 trucks.
Holy cow!
Yeah.
Look at this thing. That's four-wheel drive too?
Four-wheel drive.
Oh my God!
Locking hubs.
Look at that.
It's got 3 beds in it.
This is awesome. Reminds me of those little Toyotas.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, there's a table in between here.
Oh wow.
Your shower.
Oh, it does have a shower. Oh yeah.
So you got a fridge.
What's this have for a motor though? Will it go highway speed?
Yep. It will, yeah. 5-speed and 2400 cc.
Really?
Yeah.
So this will do probably 70, 75?
Toyota.
Oh, it's even got a little refrigerator.
Yeah.
And it's 4-wheel drive, which is awesome.
Right?
All you gotta do is put a little nice lift on this thing.
Yeah.
It's got an awning on it.
Yeah, awning actually.
And what's this go for?
16 pound. Off-roading with a camper, you know.
Wow.
You don't need a house after that.
I know.
Cross country, go off-roading.
It'll be tiny Tonka. I want to paint it.
Nice.
You know, Tonka yellow. Put across the Tonka, you know.
Alright, MotoCheez, you got started off with these names, man.
I know.
Mini, and now it's
Everybody's
a
gonna name them.
I got a mini monster, by the way.
Do you?
Do you want to check?
No, I gotta see this.
Look at the camo.
Oh, nice. Mini monster. Wow.
Look at that.
I like it.
Layers and layers of 26 hours. He says he couldn't stop. He
Holy
had to
cow.
keep going, otherwise he wouldn't know what to do. If, you
And
know,
that's the high
you
top,
have-
and
yeah.
with the little
It's a-
extended.
It's a
Wow.
jumbo.
And he's got the same rims that I
Same
got from
size.
you.
I had to see brown
Oh, he
in
did the
there.
bed line.
Brown, yeah. It is actually epoxy, different colors of epoxies, and layers of epoxies.
I like it.
With trees on it. And then,
Yeah,
know,
you get the
take
branches
everything,
and
yes.
yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, they did the seats too? Wow, this thing is clean.
Bigger, right?
I've been up through there with I got a Massey Ferguson tractor, chains on it.
Yeah.
And I spin to this muddy area all the way through there. He went through there and never spun a tire.
No, I went through slow over. It's so light and
That sold me right there.
that one's got the pump built right on it.
Yeah, right on it. Look at that.
There, the reservoir's up here. The whole, that's it. There's no reservoir really. It's built right in there. So the side flips here, and that's always there. A little shallow. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Big fuel tank, bigger gas tank.
Price like on something like this one.
This one's 78.
78? Same setup as on that Yamaha dump I got.
Yeah,
The tailgate's open when the thing goes
for
up.
spreading.
Get the same hook up.
That's dumpy. Oh yeah, it's got the heavy duty. With the tailgater thing.
Yeah, the same things on that.
Yeah.
Wow. What I do, I do the same thing like his dump's got on it, in the single ram.
Yeah. And you can add any kind of piston. This
Yeah,
will
yeah.
be just heavy duty.
I got some tool stage pistons too,
Yeah.
Yeah.
but I don't think I need all that. Yeah, that's what I was
Yeah.
doing like that.
That's like mine.
Yeah.
See, that tilts a lot more with the scissor.
Right.
Yeah. What's this one going for?
It also has air conditioning.
Oh, this has AC, 4-speed. Yeah.
Yeah. And this is on also 7,500 range.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
That would definitely be.
Oh yeah.
I'm sold on it.
Look at that. Sold. This way a little bit. Straighten out. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
He just messed it, huh?
Yeah.
Damn.
Perfect, man. It's like a glove.
Yeah, I know.
Definitely want bumpers and anything, because there's no protection.
There. You're home now, Tiny Tonka. What do you think of your new home? You're gonna have to take him out and get him acclimated a little bit, you know?
Yeah.
Get him used to his new environment. Piece of cake. Oh, that's loud. That's not bad. Is that first or super low?
I don't know.
I think it's super low. Let me see.
Yeah.
Hold it. Yep, that's super low. Yeah, that's low. Just don't forget, you don't have the clearance, you know?
Oh, I know.
Tiny Tonka's first ride.
Yep, through the woods in America. First scratch in America.
Oh, yeah. You gotta get your bumpers on.
Yeah, I gotta check that radiator too.
You doing alright?
Yep. Oh, that hurt.
Definitely get your lift on here.
Yes.
That is awesome.
Yes.
Oh, you hit the differential and the steering rod too, yeah. Oh, right there you whacked it pretty good, but no damage.
Put a skid plate. My big fat ass in this thing, you know.
Well, no, once you lift it, it's not bad.
Yeah. Do some touch-up painting here.
Oh, yeah. If you don't, people, I mean, you do a YouTube video, you'll hear about it. Paint your wipers, paint your wipers, paint your wipers. All right.
Welcome to your new home, Tonka. You like your home? Huh? You like it? All right.
He likes it. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.